My current role is I'm the director of Tyeware, and my job involves a lot of consultancy with customers, talking to them about what they need, finding out what their requirements are, and then bringing that back into the office and then working out actually how we're going to meet those needs through the software that we create.
When we both left university, we got jobs in Mackay. We both worked together then as well. And the jobs that we had were sort of low-level software development jobs. There weren't a lot of jobs around Mackay, so at the time we were tossing up whether we would leave Mackay and go to Brisbane or pick somewhere else. So the opportunity also came up for Steve to do some private consultancy work, and we were also about to have a baby, so we both sort of resigned the jobs that we had and started the business.
Whilst we were at TAFE, which is where we worked after we finished university, we wrote a lot of software that they now use for managing the way their apprenticeships and traineeships work, as well as reporting and planning systems for finances and those kinds of things. So that's all their software, but now that we've left, we now do a lot of work in continuing to develop that software, make it run faster or differently, or improve how the client can use it. It's encouraging for us to see that the software that we've written is now being used by a large number of people across the state. Creates a lot of work for us, at the same time as a lot of satisfaction as well. I had a family computer when I was a child. I was interested, yes, in playing games and things that were on it, but I was always interested in seeing, well, what can I make it do? So for me, the computer really became, whilst I didn't think I was a very creative person, actually became the tool that I used, I guess the paintbrush and the easel that I used to be creative. And that happens within software code.
From, I guess, a female perspective, wanting to work and have a family and try and balance that, I think it's definitely an industry where that's a possibility. I can connect into any of our clients' networks remotely, do anything that I need to do within their systems. I can log onto our own systems from home. So there's nothing really that I can't do from home. Especially now having kids, having the flexibility of the days that I work, the hours that I work, being able to work from home is definitely a bonus. The part of my job that I enjoy the most is writing requirements and specifications and things like that for new systems.
This is the easiest work environment for us to be able to have a life outside of work which doesn't conflict easily with the work itself. Mackay, like many regional centres, has everything really to offer. Mackay is an hour and a half's drive from the Whitsundays, where we were there a few weeks ago just for a weekend, just for something to do, and that kind of lifestyle just means that it's a little bit easier to relax, and it's very easy, I think, to find a nice balance between the fulfilment and enjoyment that you have from working, but then the benefits that you have from having time off.